Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into effective conversation techniques that you can use in a variety of everyday situations. Whether you're meeting new people, discussing personal interests, or navigating tricky social scenarios, these tips and examples will help you communicate more effectively. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Sam. I just moved into the house next door. How long have you lived here?
Hello, Sam. I've been here for about 5 years now. Welcome to the neighborhood. What brought you here?
Meeting new neighbors is a great opportunity to introduce yourself and make a good impression. Starting with, "How long have you lived here?" helps you learn about their experience in the neighborhood. The response, "Welcome to the neighborhood," is friendly and prompts you to share more about your move. "Thanks, I've heard great things about the area. I moved here for work. What do you like most about living here?" This response shows appreciation and asks about their experience, continuing the conversation. "I'm here because of the excellent schools. Do you have any recommendations for local spots or services?" This answer provides context for your move and seeks helpful suggestions. "I've always wanted to live in this part of town. How do you find the community here?" This response expresses enthusiasm and invites the other person to share their views on the community. Meeting new neighbors can be a breeze when you show interest in their experience and share a bit about yourself.
I just got back from a trip to Japan. It was incredible. Have you ever been there?
No, but it's definitely on my bucket list. What was your favorite part of the trip?
Sharing travel experiences is a fun way to connect with others. Asking, "Have you ever been there?" helps gauge their interest. The response, "What was your favorite part of the trip?" encourages a deeper discussion about your experiences. "My favorite part was visiting Kyoto. The temples were breathtaking. What's a destination you've loved?" This answer shares a specific detail and invites the other person to talk about their own travel experiences. "I loved the food, especially sushi. Have you tried Japanese cuisine before?" This response highlights a unique aspect of your trip and asks about their food experiences. "The cherry blossoms were amazing in spring. Do you have any travel plans coming up?" This answer provides a vivid detail and shifts the conversation to their future plans. Talking about travel can lead to engaging conversations filled with personal stories and future plans.
I've started learning how to play the guitar. It's been a fun challenge. Do you have any hobbies you're passionate about?
That's awesome. I've been really into gardening lately. It's surprisingly relaxing. How long have you been playing guitar?
Discussing hobbies can reveal a lot about a person's interests. Asking, "Do you have any hobbies you're passionate about?" opens the door for a shared conversation about personal interests. The response, "How long have you been playing guitar?" continues the discussion with a focus on your new hobby. "I've been playing for a few months. I'm still learning the basics. What got you into gardening?" This response shares your experience and invites the other person to explain their interest. "Just started recently. I'm trying to learn my favorite songs. What's your favorite part of gardening?" This answer provides information about your progress and asks about their gardening experience. "I've been practicing regularly. It's a lot of fun. What do you grow in your garden?" This response shows enthusiasm and seeks more details about their gardening. Sharing and discussing hobbies can lead to meaningful conversations and reveal more about each other's passions.
Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Taylor. How do you know the host?
Hi, Taylor. I'm Jordan. I used to work with the host. How about you?
At social gatherings, starting with, "How do you know the host?" is a great icebreaker. The response, "I used to work with the host," provides context and invites a follow-up question, "How about you?" to continue the conversation. "I'm a friend from college. How long have you known the host?" This answer shares your connection and seeks to learn about their relationship with the host. "I met the host through a mutual friend." Do you come to these events often? This response provides context and opens the conversation to discuss event frequency. "I'm a neighbor. It's great to meet new people. What's your favorite thing about these gatherings?" This answer offers your perspective and asks about their experience with such events. Navigating social gatherings can be easier with simple, open-ended questions that help you learn more about the people you meet.
Have you checked out the latest smartphone release? The features look incredible.
Yes, I saw it. The camera improvements are impressive. Are you thinking of upgrading?
Discussing technology trends can lead to engaging conversations about new innovations. Asking, "Are you thinking of upgrading?" prompts the other person to share their thoughts on the latest tech. "I'm considering it, but I'm still deciding." What features are most important to you in a new phone? This response shows consideration and invites them to share their priorities. "I'm intrigued, but haven't decided yet." Do you follow tech reviews for recommendations? This answer shows interest and seeks advice on tech reviews. "I'm thinking about it because of the improved battery life." What's your take on the new technology? This response provides a specific reason and asks for their opinion on the tech. Talking about technology can lead to exciting discussions about innovations and personal preferences. And that's it for today's video. I hope these conversation examples and tips help you feel more confident in various social situations. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on effective communication. Drop a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and enjoy your conversations.